Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, northwestern Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Rockford Airport, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockford, Belvedere, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Roscoe, South Beloit, Brockton, Poplar Grove, Rockford Airport, Candlewick Lake, Cherry Valley, Winnebago, Davis Junction, Timberlane, New Milford, Caledonia, Shilland, and Harrison. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for north-central Illinois.